Wiretunes Music.
Davido.
Davido said his music is the most played on Nigerian radio station. I just read it a few minutes ago. Why do I think this guy is? I don't think it's true. Although he said he brought out one statistics from one radio something that's what he said. But having your music as the most played on radio doesn't really emphasize how big your music is. Most played on radio. Have you forgotten that you're paying them to play on radio?
No,
It just means that you have the most money to spend on advertisement.
No, you're not paying them.
To play on radio. There are some media that are paid to radio.
Some media are paid, but these days no.
Okay, let's assume you're not paying them, but you have
Even
influence
all
over
those
them.
radios or all these people, they are the ones that are supposed to pay the artists to play their music on their radio.
But he has influence. Me, I don't think.
That
But
was
doesn't mean
before
that's-
it blew. He was paying them all those things. You are not supposed to pay radio. That was before it blew. He was
And
paying.
the music we're talking about is this Ian Chris Brown's single.
And now there was one song that did on the day the song came out.
So,
Someone spoke to Siri and said, "Hey Siri, play the most popular song in the world right now." And I played the song.
why do I think we should try it now?
Now it might not work again. But that day I saw it live on Instagram. I've forgotten who, maybe one of his team. It's big. Under one day, that song got more than 1 million views. It's Chris Brown
Yeah,
and
it's
Davido. Now the song is like 6 million views. If you want to
But the
wait
music
it to like,
is big in a way that we don't really know.
see me from the one that I heard the song. The thing about the song is like when I was hearing the backlash of the song, like my mind, somebody just told me that this song will be a good song. People are just beefing, just like the same way when Fever came out, Whiskey Fever. I was like, this song that people are bashing like this, all these Nigerians. When song come out, because it's Whiskey and Davido, they will not first of all like it. But Davido, I don't know, maybe they are still beefing him or whatever. But I just feel like this song is because of the song came out when Brown Skin Girl came out with Whiskey and everybody is still enjoying.
The competition with Queen B, I mean, she will win you
So
know.
maybe but I feel maybe that's the reason why people are beefing though. But the song, even before the song came out, when I saw the name of the song, Blow My Mind, Davido, Chris Brown, I was like, there's no way this song won't be a hit. Blow My Mind is, if you by the time you play 10 Nigerian song, you hear that phrase, Blow My Mind, in more than 5 songs. So it's, if you are not listening,
lyrics, yeah? In their lyrics.
in their lyrics,
Or lyrics like blackface.
what this is that? What accent, what tribe accent? Lyrics.
Blackface is Benue.
Benue,
It's
yeah.
Uduma, yeah.
So it's really like close to Two-Face like that.
Yeah,
Why is
they're
it
brothers
beefing?
now.
Guys attack like that. But I was saying that blow my mind. If you are an artist, a popular Nigerian artist, okay, if they want to make this challenge now, 5 popping Nigerian artists, they should do a song, Blow My Mind. Whether it's or not, they will find a way to do it. Blow my mind is very common. It's like a Nigerian slang. Everybody do that.
Yeah.
Man, don't blow my mind. There was a time that Osama blew my mind. It's always in all the songs. So when I even saw it, before the song even came outside, that blew my mind. This song will blow. And Chris Brown is there. Chris Brown that Mr. Hook can sing. And
You know what? In the old song now, I've not seen any particular verse that is catchy. Apart from the 2 words you mentioned, blow my mind. But the verse now that I can just be singing, like, oh, I remember
the chorus is catchy. It did blow my mind, blow my mind.
It's not really, it's not an interesting chorus. That's what I think.
It's okay. So yeah, one of the big fans.
No, it's not big fast. I mean, I've seen good music. Now I've listened to good music. Burna Boy's album, dope album. I liked it. So comparing Burna,
I think that song is
Yeah.
a very, very nice song with the concept and what they try to do.
okay, it's
an
a nice song.
Afrobeat
It's
beat.
a nice song.
It's
But I'm
an
talking about me now walking on the street now, or when I'm less busy during my leisure, just thinking of the lyrics and be singing it like repetition, singing the lyrics. There's no lyrics in that. There's no sentence or
It's
word
because
in that song that I will
you
get. I can't
focus your mind on not liking the song. That's
No.
what I think of.
No, Chris Brown is on the song. I like the song, but it's not as catchy as
Okay, what of
Angelina,
if you
Angelina.
you've not? It's still a new song. You've not even really edit. There's this other part of the chorus like freaky freaky for you, girl, like whatever you want to. You they blow my mind, blow my mind, blow my mind. Chris Brown also sang that part too as chorus. He sang it like a duo. Then he did his own verse. He tried to use like pidgin. He used I go in two of his verse. And he danced. He made it like an R&B song. They did Afrobeat.
Not that it's not a good song. It's a good song.
I
But
think
I'm not
it's a very
feeling
good
it.
song.
I can't just stay now and be singing the song or singing.
Why
Why
would you sing? Why would you sing the song? You've not edited.
Even surprisingly, Patoranking
You don't used to sing. You don't sing singing song that is slow chorus.
say, let me surprise you. Let me bust your brain. Patoranking song Wilma. I still stay and be singing Wilma, like just a particular word from it.
I can't even sing the song. So yeah, sing it. So
Wilma, my
different
Wilma,
people-
I love blah 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 blah.
blah blah blah. That's how you know the song.
But although I think
Yeah,
that
fun.
Wilma, Patoranking, all best now,
World best.
all best.
So he said, Wizkid fan, Davido hater.
Yeah, like no,
But he just
Music
not
and-
like. Well,
music
I
and-
think maybe like, another thing, maybe the way the name of the song. Another thing I think I saw it on Instagram. A lot of people were like, because of the overhyping of the song. I know Nigeria.
it's not overhyped now. He hyped it like every other song.
Like before the song came out, like
Yeah.
people were waiting for like 10 days when I think people were angry. And Nigeria, we are in the Bese Arena now. The song is not that kind of song.
Yeah, true.
I think maybe
It's true
that's
because
why.
it's all brain work. I've been listening to more Bese. Now you're not coming with a slow song.
I think the song is more like that Road to Me song.
And it's even in summer again. So why would you give no slow jam in summer?
Why would you somehow vibe now? Just do all those shake wind your waist.
No,
You know that Road to Me song?
it's
That
Hamilton.
Empire, that Road to Me song. That's how
That
I
one,
think the song.
that one's a little bit faster.
I think it's that song. The beat is almost even alike.
But honestly, I like the Chris Brown verse on the song. I like Chris Brown verse.
People beefing with
But I'm not beefing him. I love Davido. Personally, I like Davido. His
me. I like the song.
personality, I like it. I like his music. I like his voice on song, on features.
It's frog voice.
I don't
That's
know if it's
probably.
from
Yes, now that's what is.
No, it's
People
not
that are
frog.
criticizing people.
That you mean
criticizing
that
music.
emoji that Wizkid is. It's not for that
What
Lacoste
was it?
signal.
So
Lacoste.
he has crocodile voice.
Designer. Designer.
So like, I even think Davido, that song, he in the English right, overdid himself on that song. Yeah, like from music point of view, like really I wasn't, because when I saw the name of the song, Roman, before the song came out, I was thinking it would be like a random normal Naija song, like a shaku shaku, then maybe Chris Brown would just do small.
Yeah.
Like I love the way that they made the tempo slow. I think it went out of the box because that was not what I was expecting. I was expecting the song to be a good song, but for that song
Better song.
I believe it's a better song than what I was expecting. But everybody have their own opinion. But the concept, it's Davido now. I was expecting like something like that, fire, basic. Like I feel other Nigerians were expecting. But the way the song went, like the lyrics, more like love. Maybe because he's a Yankee. In summer they do it like they make it feel like this Caribbean vibe, like all this salsa dance kind of thing. But Naija, whether it's Harmattan or rainy season, somehow we want to base it. You get? So I'm even more impressed on how the song came out than what I was thinking than if it was like a normal basic song. It's just maybe that's why the song is even doing more numbers. It might not even be maybe just because of Chris Brown. Because if you ask me, I don't think he killed Chris Brown on the song.
I like Chris Brown a lot better.
Yeah.
More.
Me, I thought Chris Brown even he
Yeah,
oversang on the song.
I wasn't
Like
expecting
I was
that
expecting
also.
him to do his normal Chris Brown high tempo, but
Yeah.
he was singing too much.
I was not expecting that verse from Chris Brown. He did well. I've not been listening to Chris Brown lately. Like, the guy has changed. The last Chris Brown I listened to,
he's now looking like a very, very bad boy.
the last Chris Brown I listened to is not